Good morning, welcome back to my wilderness camp. This is my first visit out here since May, and I'm always worried during the summer that something happened to my camp. Maybe a bear got into my pantry, a tree fell on it, maybe someone discovered my camp and tore it down. You just never know. But everything seems to be okay. I came out here for a few reasons. I made a garden last year, wanted to check on that. I got to rebait my trail cam, make sure it's all good for the fall. So this is my camp garden. Nothing really grew in it because just had a really hot, dry summer. Too hot for too long. And right here is my clay oven. I'll be trying this out today. I fixed it up last year. Kind of surprised to see moss growing on it though. Like I said, today's just a camp check. This way when winter hits I know what I'm walking into. And I also have a mini sled I built last year. I'm going to take that home. And when the snow hits, I got a bunch of supplies to bring out here, mostly for my pantry. Just up in my homemade tree stand, and you can see it's like a completely different world out here during this time of the year. So while my fire dies down, I'm going to go check on my woodlot. Brought out my bill hook, do some bushwhacking. This is my woodlot, not too far from camp. And there's not a lot of wood here. Thought I had more. My plan in the spring was to stack all this on its side, tarp it off. But my back wasn't feeling up to it, and now everything is soaked. Because I'll probably be needing some of this wood. I know it's a little late, but I found a tarp and I covered up my wood pile. So hopefully it can at least start drying and not get any more wet. I've been noticing a lot of wild raspberries growing around camp. And that's most likely because I collect them at home, dry them, and then scatter them around. My door was starting to sag, so I'm going to pop a few more screws in it. Here are the baked beans I did in my clay oven. I cooked them for about an hour. It's bacon, beans, brown sugar, molasses, barbecue sauce. I got some bread to go with it. Well, I just made it out to my trail cam. I don't know if anyone remembers, but there was this very huge tree, all rotten on the bottom, ready to fall over, and it finally fell. It's about a foot and a half in diameter. I bet you there's lots of good firewood in there. And there's my trail cam. Been sitting out all summer long. I'm going to change the batteries, SD card, and have a look and see what's on it. I got a few nice captures on my trail cam. Even got one of those deer with the big growth on its neck again. But I'll have a better look when I get home. My camera's all ready. I just have to throw some bait around. Got some buck urine, instant oatmeal, and the leftovers from my lunch today. You can see that wasp nest there. It's very low to the ground. That means we're not going to have a lot of snow this year. Thanks for coming along today, and I'll see you in the next one.